Okay, I'm back. That last video ended pretty abruptly because I hit the time limit for what we used to record. So all I was saying was this is 3, like the number 3. It's just spelled out with letters. Okay? So I went into our word wall and I put all of our new sight words there, or snap words there. Now, I know that this is tiny and it's hard to see and it's unfortunate, guys. It really is kind of a pain. But I wanted you to be able, especially my virtual friends at home, to be able to look at the first grade word wall and see all of it at once, just like you would at school. That's super important to me. So, we had to give up it being a good size so that we could see everything. And I know it's tricky, and my computer screen apparently is kind of dirty because I'm seeing a whole bunch of mess on here. But I have highlighted our new snap words, okay? I'm afraid that one looks like it has an M in it. I'm going to have to do some fixing on that I box, but that's okay. It's just a little, it's hard to see. But I have highlighted them all in green. So I have another video that'll be attached to this video telling you some new ways to write your snap words. And so you have 3 phonics videos today, which seems kind of insane, but that's okay. What I want you to do is take these words that are highlighted in green, the words that we learned today, and I want you to write each of them 3 times. You can use rainbow writing, or you can use any of the other, I think, 3 ways I showed you today. And I just want you to do that for practice. Okay? All right. That's it. End of phonics video. Have a great day.